Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing Zara spring summer blazer with you, and if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Zara. Guys, I will start for this number. Since we are talking about spring summer, I think you can't go wrong with a colorful blazer. I think this number is very lovely. It's the latest to my wardrobe. I think is amazing because you can style it with different items. Although it's very colorful, the color is all over the place, but you can bring it down styling it with total black outfit or total blue outfit or total white outfit. And if you have any massive skirt or massive dress white, this combo together, wow, it will look very amazing and elegant. Although you can break it down, you can style it with your jeans, blue, white, just name it. I love styling this number with black jeans or white jeans. I think they look very polished and elegant. Since we are talking about spring and summer, I say we all have white trouser or white shirt or white skirt in our wardrobe. With this number here, you can go wrong. Elegant black dress, if you are going for an evening out with this number in your shoulder, you can go wrong. I think it looks very tasteful and elegant. And for price difference, this one was quite a pricey one, but I said that they bought all the price because it looked very elegant. I don't know if you can see the details of the button. It's very elegant and chic. I would say you can go to your true size or size up. I don't know if you can see the details. It have this oversized effect. I would say this type of number, if you want to take your wardrobe to the next level, you want to look a little bit elegant, bougie, you can go wrong. Guys, the other number we have here is yellow. We know that yellow, although it's a very colorful item, but at the same time you can use it as neutral. Yellow goes with blue, it goes with white, it goes with black. It's very elegant pieces. I don't know if you can see the details. Although this blazer is very expensive, one of those expensive one is 90 euro, but I think it looks very elegant. You will see it on the cutout. I will say this type of number is must have for spring and summer. I just love the details. I love the elegance, the class. I think you can't go wrong with this type of blazer. Just look at the details. I think it's amazing. This is a summer blazer. This is your essentially summer blazer because you can style it down, you can style it with different items you have in your wardrobe. I think this type of number you can't go wrong. So let me know what you think about these elegant pieces from Zara. I decided to pick the few pieces. On my personal opinion, I think that is the most elegant pieces for this spring summer. Those numbers that you can really style with different items you have in your wardrobe, like this number here, you can style it with different items because the blazer is very super elegant. Thinking about spring summer, you can't go wrong with this type of number. I think this type of rose is very settled. I decided to pick this number here so that I can just show you something that you can really wear all over again. This number here, you can also use it as a neutral in spring and summer since the rose is very settled. So let me know what you think about this number. And this number, if you want to take it into consideration, I will say size down. I don't know if you can see the details. It's very oversized, so you can go to your true size or size down, but don't size up in this number because it's very oversized. Although I love it like this because just imagine yourself with a short denim in summer, whether blue, white, black, just name it. With this number you can go wrong. You look very tasteful and polished, and the length, I don't know if you can see it, is amazing. Since in this video we are talking about elegant, class, expensive, you can't go wrong with this number in this spring summer collection. This blazer is very expensive, but I just love the class, the elegance. Just look at the details. I will say this number here is must have. What I love about this number is those blazers that is navy blue, but at the same time it's something that you can style for evening, you can style for party, but you can still take it to work because the blue is very settled, it's very elegant, it's very polished, it's very business appropriate. I don't know if you can see the details. I would say this type of number you can't go wrong. I just love the fit. I don't know if you can see the bomber fit. It's amazing. It's very elegant. It's super elegant. With this type of number you can't go wrong. You can style it up, you can style it and just imagine yourself with a blue denim, whether short or trouser or pants, just name it. You can't go wrong with this type of number. Or if you have any white floral dress with this number, wow, you will take it to the next level. I will say this number is must have. So let me know what you think about the blazer I'll be sharing with you. Since we are talking about spring summer, you can't go wrong with a white blazer. I think white blazer is those blazers that make your wardrobe look put together. It's a casual wardrobe, it's essential, it's something you need if you want to build a elegant, sophisticated wardrobe in summer and spring. You need a nice white blazer. Just look at this number here. It's very elegant. is beautiful. Just look at the amazing length. Although this one is a blazer dress, so you can wear it as dress, you can wear it as blazer. I will be showing you something different, so it depends on your taste, depends on sense of fashion. This number here, you can go wrong, and it have a shoulder part on the shoulder. I will say is amazing. The length is very lovely. I don't know if you can see it. The length is very lovely. When they say this is a blazer dress, it's really a blazer dress because the length is very amazing. So you can style it with different items you have in your wardrobe, with your jeggings, leggings, shorts. Just imagine yourself, you have those floral shorts in summertime. With this number, you can't go wrong. It's very chic and put together. Since we are talking about essential, I decided to pick this oversized one so that you can see, depends on your taste, depends on your sense of fashion. This one is like oversized one, but it's just a blazer. It's not a blazer dress. Where that is a blazer dress, I think you need different type of blazer because depends on your destination, depends the way you want to style it, depends on where you are going to. I will say this number here, you can't go wrong with all your white jeans, black jeans, blue jeans, navy blue. You can't go wrong. It's very lovely. When they said oversized, this number here, I don't know if you can see it, is very oversized, so you can size down or go to your true size. Because I think white blazer is just like a white tee in summertime. You can't go wrong. It's a basic, it's essential. Blazer, I just love blazer. I love the way it makes my items. I love the way it makes me look. I love the polish finish, the way it makes me look very elegant. If you don't know what to wear blazer, you will look always put together. Talking about class, look at the number I have here. This is what we said: class, elegant, sophisticated, put together. This number here, I just love it because it's color, but at the same time the color is not all over the place, not all over your face, so it's very subtle. If you are searching for those blazers that is a little bit colorful but at the same time it's very subtle color, I will say go for this number because this type of number you can style it to party, you can style it to marriage, you can style it to work, to business. Although it's a blue blazer, but at the same time it's a baby blue. The blue is very subtle, it's very gentle. I don't know if you can see the silver details button. I said this type of blazer is those blazers that take you to the next level. I would say this blazer is for everybody. It's for everybody because it's very classic. So at the same time, so it's not picking at all, it's not selective, so it goes with a lot in your wardrobe. So let me know what you think. I think for summer, for spring, you can't go wrong. The fact that you have this baby blue, it goes with a lot in your wardrobe. This number here, I really love it. I would say this number here is the oversized effect, so just go to your true size or size down. I really love this number because I know that I will be styling it with my white short, white denim short. You can't go wrong with this number. Since we are talking about classic, this is a classic of all classic, a brown blazer. Wow, it's something you need in your wardrobe. It's essential, it's classic. It's those basic that just take your outfit to the next level. Those days that you don't know what to wear, maybe you are going to a place, you don't know if you have to wear something colorful or something black or something white, go for a brown blazer because it will work for occasion that you need to wear white. It will work for occasion you need to wear color. It will work for occasion you need to wear black. So it's work for everything. I said I just love it. I don't know if you can see the details of the gold button. It's amazing. This blazer is very elegant. What I will say about this blazer, if you are taking into consideration, I will say size up or go to your true size. Don't size down because this blazer is very restrictive. That is the only difference because I'm not really a fan of blazer that is restrictive. I love when blazer is a little bit free. I think it looks a little bit more elegant, more polished, and more expensive. So let me know what you think. If you are somebody that loves a fitted blazer, I will say this is for you because it's very fitted, it's very restrictive. This blazer is amazing, it's gorgeous. I'm styling with different items, with blue, with black, a total black outfit, a total blue outfit, a white outfit. You can't go wrong with this type of number because it will work in your wardrobe as in neutral. Thinking about basic essential, especially for those days you are wearing a colorful shirt or a colorful dress, you just want to bring it down, you just want to make it look polished. Maybe you are going to a official place, this is what you need because I don't know if you can see the details. It's very oversized. I love styling this number with my short dress or short skirt because I think it looks very nice. Since the blazer is very bossy, it's very elegant. Before that is gray, so you just bring everything there, we just make everything look very polished and tasteful. So let me know what you think about this blazer. And this blazer is amazing. I don't know if you can see the details. It's amazing and it's very soft, and you have the details of shoulder part, so it's something that will just put it together. It will just give you that elegant effect. Just imagine yourself with a white cami, with a white shirt with this number, or a total black outfit, a black cropped with a black short with this number. You can't go wrong. I think this number is very lovely and tasteful. Guys, talking about classic of all classic, a black blazer, I think is must have. Is those items that will just make your wardrobe look very, very polished and elegant. If you don't know what to wear, a black blazer will always bring everything together. And even that this one is a black dress, I just love it. Especially those days you need to go out in the evening, you don't know what to wear. I think a black blazer in your wardrobe will just save the situation, because any colorful shoe, any colorful bag, what I love about black blazer is something that you can wear all over again. Because the fact that it's black, you can add any colorful shoe, any colorful black, or you can even go for a total black outfit, or you can even go for a white black outfit. You can wear white shoe, white bag with this number here. You are ready to go. So let me know what you think. If you have intention to style it as a dress, I will say go to your true size or size up. I really love this number, and with the details of the button, I think is amazing. Guys, the other number I will be sharing is this oversized black blazer. I think you can't go wrong. I decided to pick a classic numbers. I have other blazer I can share with you if you have interest, so let me know, leave me comment below. I decided to pick these classic pieces that I know that is Capsule wardrobe, those numbers that build our wardrobe, that take us to the next level. When we are going out, we don't know what to wear, those ones that save the situation. I will say this number, you can't go wrong. This number here, I will say size down, is very, very oversized. I don't know if you can see the details. Is amazing. What I love about this blazer, that anytime I wear it, people compliment because of the elegance. It's very, very chic. I don't know if you can see the length. Is amazing. If you are searching for an elegant blazer, I will say go for this number. The only defect this blazer have is that is very, very expensive. It's one of the most expensive blazer I have in my wardrobe, but I love it because I'm wearing it non-stop, because I just love the look. Anytime I style it with a jeans, with leggings, I always look put together. See, that is the reason when I bought it. So it's working for this morning. I really love this number. I decided to share a classic pieces with you. Guys, I decided to share this number here because I don't know if you can see it. They have this lemon neon yellow color. I think it's a way to add an inch of color to your wardrobe. A total black outfit, a total white outfit, this type of number, you can't go wrong. And it's very, very summer spring appropriate. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little bit cropped. So I decided to pick this piece so that I can give you different perspective, so I can show you different type of blazer, different type of items. So let me know what you think about this blazer I'll be sharing with you. This number, you have a finish of a golden button. I decided to share different type of blazer so that I can give you different type of perspective. It depends on the way you like to style your items, depends on your sense of fashion, your sense of taste. I think this number here, you can't go wrong, because if you are searching how to build your wardrobe for spring or summer, you need some blazer in your wardrobe. It will just make everything look very, very polished and sophisticated. So guys, let me know what you think about these blazers I show you. And if you want to see the rest of my collection of my Zara blazer, leave me comment below. I will take into consideration. I really like doing this type of video because it's just a way to show you those essentials. Since this summer and spring season, Zara have been giving us all these blazers, so I decided to share some of them with you. So don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, my name is Owa, and you are very welcome.